Right, let's roll this. For the history. Tropical storm, 100 miles from Barbados. Big squall, nasty conditions. But we don't care. We're still here doing it. Yeah. Okay, let's adjust everything. Come on. Yeah. Let's do it. Let's pull. Come on. Is that all you got? Yeah. Yeah, give us more. Absolutely. And some more. Yeah. Yeah. And a bit more. Yeah, there's a bit of crosswell. Yeah. Amazing. It's all gray. There's no hand. I can't see any blue. And we are riding just across all the waves. We're trying to go south in easterly winds to hit Barbados. There's still a big chance we're gonna miss it, and we'll have to accept the tow. But we'll see. We're still trying. Giving our best shot. But this is the conditions we're faced with. No point in feeling sorry for yourself. There's a job to do. Yeah. Only 100 miles to go. But not a straight 100 miles. A bit of a curved one. We are completely dependent on the elements. So the weather gods are not playing. Don't want to play the ball. So we're gonna play the ball ourselves. There you go. Come on! Give us some more! Is that all you got? Yeah. There you go. Another crosswell. Yeah, we're just almost on the crest of the waves, and the crosswell is coming from the port side as well. Strange, no splashes yet. I've been wet through for the past 5 days completely, even without these showers. Just because of the acute angle we have to row through the waves, we're completely covered with water all the time. And the bloody flying fish, there's one still lying there. My day starts with cleaning the deck from bloody flying fish. Dozens of them. Absolutely dozens of them. And bird shit from my solar panels. Birds sleeping on my boat at night. And then I don't have any power because my solar panels are covered with bird crap. Here you go. There you go. Still no ant. I can't see any ant. Still gray. All over the place. All over horizon. Yeah. A lot of work. A lot of work. For very little gains. Because we don't have any following seas. We're not pushed by the seas or wind. We are going perpendicular to it. There you go, but that's where we have to go. Otherwise we'll miss Barbados. If we just take the direction of the wind and waves, we have to go south for about another 40 miles or so before turning to the west. Hell. Right, 3 months in, still got it. Yeah. There you go. There you go. There you go. more. Yeah. Yeah. Ah, yeah. Water above, water below, water everywhere. There's no point wearing pants. There's no point wearing anything, to be honest. Bloody hell. Come on! I'm loving it. I don't give a shit. It's great. It's great. Nothing to lose. Yeah. Yeah. Seems like we're flying, but we're actually crawling. According to my GPS, like almost standing, like almost a standstill. Jesus. Yeah. Yeah. That's what, yeah, constantly knocked off the seat. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Another one. Still no end to it. I can't see any blue. All gray. I wonder if it's gonna be like that just all day. That's gonna be fun. I haven't seen anything like that before. Normally it's quite short and intense. Ah, shit. This one is intense and long. No, actually I can see a little bit less gray, light gray. The wind is from that direction, so there's a bit of light gray there. Maybe end of the shower. Wow. Yeah. Here you go. I'm still managing to maintain the direction. Right there. See the waves go this way and the wind. Jesus. Yeah, well, that's a good. That's gonna be a good video for posterity. That's how it was. I'll tell my children. You wanna be an ocean rower? Watch this video first. Yeah, it's yeah, light gray is coming. Yeah, baby. Come on. Yeah. Jesus. So I said I'm accepting the challenge yesterday. You know, obviously somebody is giving it to me. Yeah. That's how it is. Another one. Those are good rubber handles. I don't have problems with calluses, but the tendinitis is really bad. In the morning it takes about half an hour for my hands to start working. Otherwise, I just, you know, I have claw hands. I can't do anything for about half an hour every morning. During the day it's kind of better, but then it's bad again. a lot of things that we'll need to recover after this. I don't remember how the life on land feels like. I've been at sea for so long, like a bloody sea monster, you know. That's my environment now. I just don't remember how this feels to be on land. And the colors, the greens, brown, anything but blue and gray, and you know, yeah, blue and gray. That's it. That's what I've seen. I really sometimes can't believe that this is gonna be over. Just okay. Every day something's thrown at you like this. Okay, fine. Next one. Yeah, the dark gray is passing, I think. Yeah, well, the rain is over. Wow, I've just realized. Anyway, I think enough of this blabbering. You've seen the best of it. Bloody hell. Right, till next time.